gonna get ya.
Oh, look at that, Mom. Just look at that.
Yep.
Oh. Scissors.
Brenda, move. Brenda, move. You need to go put pants on.
If you want to be in the videos, you need to put pants on, okay? I'm not
Mr. No Pants.
What?
Mr. Never wears pants.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think I just got this thing out. It's just what I wanted to do. Oh, yeah. Just awesome. This thing, so I'm going to try. Yeah.
Your face is dirty, goodness. You need to go wash your face, not you. Him.
Mom.
What?
Can I see the camera for a second on this?
Don't point it at Brennan or me, please.
I won't.
Careful. Ethan, you're pointing it at Brennan and me, like I just said not to.
That's awesome.
Can you use the camera for me? Can you use the camera? I need to take a picture of myself. Please.
You need to wash your face.
Oh, I see this. I see this. It all makes sense. I think I'm going to have to cut a lot of wires.
Brennan. Hi, Murphy. Kitty, kitty.
Mom, is the video almost done?
Pretty quick, yeah.
Is it over yet?
Now it is.
Hey, go
Oh, no,
see
it's
it.
not. Thought it was.
See it when it's over.
Okay, we'll look at it.